Hi YouTube family, it is Kelsey and welcome to my channel where each week I release new videos that empower the whole entrepreneur. From social media marketing, branding, photography, business tips, and living a healthy lifestyle, my goal is to provide you the tools you need to succeed in life and in business. Today, this is a very requested video and a highly asked question. We've all been there. We have this awesome picture we want to share on social media and we get the writer's block. What do we post? We have to inspire engagement. What are we supposed to do? Well, today I'm gonna break down my 3-step process that I use on almost every single one of my posts that not only inspires engagement, but also true connection with my followers and value for them. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Now, when creating a post and writing a caption, you have to keep this one thing in mind. First, that I have an itch in my nose. And second, you have to keep in mind that if you are running a business and you are leveraging social media for that business, your posts are not for you. They are for your followers. And so this recipe, this 3-step system of writing a caption is perfect to capitalize on that. The first thing that you need, the first step in the recipe, is to have a catchy headline. Your followers are in the scrolling zombie mode where they're just like scroll information, pictures, right? So the first thing that catches their attention is obviously your picture. And then the next thing is your caption. How do you want them to interpret that photo? What do you want them to learn? So you first have to have a catchy headline to grab their attention and let them know that something really juicy is down below if you keep reading. So you can use pop culture references, quotes, motivation, a question, so many different types of things, even statistics. Grabbing their attention with a catchy headline is vital. Step 1. Step 2 is the most important piece, and I think is the piece that most people are actually missing when writing a caption. And that is to provide value. You're an expert at something. Obviously, you're a business owner that is providing some sort of service or product or solution, and you're an expert. You know more about this than anyone. So why not provide value in that? So there's different types of value. One is personal value, sharing about you or your business people or the people you surround yourself with, the businesses you work with. Personal value about you or people in your business or involved with your business. The second is business value. Are you having a sale? Are you moving locations? Do you want to share a little bit more about your business story? Sharing business information is important and provides value for your followers. And finally, this sort of value, this next value, is the most important and the quickest way to get engagement, and that is education value. Again, you're an expert at something, so share tips, share ideas, share information, education for your followers so that they can leave reading your post a little bit more educated on something. And finally, the third piece of this 3-step caption writing recipe is to ask for engagement. Instruct on how to engage with the post. Again, your followers are in scroll zombie mode. They're not ready to write a whole novel on a caption and a comment. So you need to tell them how you want them to engage. Do you want them to head to the link in your bio, to your blog? Do you want to ask them a question and provide multiple choice answers so all they have to do is press A, B, or C, 1, 2, and 3? Make it simple, clear, and concise for how they need to engage. Number 1, create a catchy headline, provide value, and instruct them on how to engage. That is my 3-step system that I use on almost every single one of my posts that provides value and connection and engagement for your followers. If those tips helped and you'd like to learn more about my online education series, The Connection Method, be sure to check out all the links down below, as well as give this video a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and if you'd like to see more tips, follow me over on Instagram. I so appreciate you giving me this tiny portion of your day today, and I will see you in the next video.